Cutting back herbaceous perennials is honestly one of my favourite jobs in the garden. The sound of the secateurs and that instant transformation, it's super satisfying. So what are herbaceous perennials? They are the showstoppers of the garden. Beautiful flowers, grasses, and soft stem shrubs you see in magazines, nurseries, and old English gardens. They come in so many shapes, sizes, and colours, there truly is something for everyone. And despite what people think, they are not hard work. I'll show you just how easy it is to cut them back so they're ready to burst into life next spring. Perennials are plants that live for more than 2 years. There are two types: woody perennials, like roses, buddleia, and hydrangeas, and herbaceous ones, which have soft, fleshy stems that die back to ground level each year, like sedum, catmint, or lamb's ear. So why do we cut back herbaceous perennials? For starters, the dead foliage can look a mess. Cutting back can tidy things up, but most importantly, set your garden up for success. Cutting back to the crown improves airflow for new shoots and helps prevent disease. Plus, it keeps the plant healthy and encourages stronger, better shaped new growth. Clearing out all the old stuff makes it far easier to fertilise and mulch your gardens. And best of all, you've got a whole heap of green waste to add to the compost bin. The best time to cut back herbaceous perennials is late autumn. They've stopped flowering and begun to die back, plus the weather has started to cool off. Perfect timing. Make sure you've got clean, sharp secateurs. Dirty blades can spread disease and damage stems. Now for the fun bit, snip snip. Some perennials like salvias or sedums may already be sprouting. In that case, just cut above the new growth. Others like delphiniums, catmint, or aquilesias like a good hard prune right down to the base. It can feel a bit scary cutting them back, especially when you've enjoyed them all season. But trust me, they will love you for it next spring. Got any questions about perennials in your garden? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Until then, happy gardening.